Okay, guys. So we can. I don't know, like what? Okay. So. We're already gonna kick off. Be quick! Concord 8100 is departing to a runway. Condor 8100 departing to a runway. Okay. Yeah, the player just left. And I'm gonna crash. Pull up. Okay. Oh, I need to stay power. Oh, Delta is 5007 What's that? Okay. Indicating power to 4,000 to 4,000 feet to Frankfurt. Thank you. Condor 8100. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. What's that? Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Oh yeah, we're gliding. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Oh yeah. See, we're having cargo fight. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Get on. Get on. Get on. Glide lobe. Glide lobe. Concord 8100. We're glide loping. Please, we're making emergency. We're returning to Tokyo, Japan. Mayday. Glide lope. Yeah, something's wrong. Like is something failure or something? I don't know, maybe the landing gear? Wait, what the hell? Oh no, what the hell? Engine caught on fire? Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide. Everything set on fire! Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide lope. Hey, watch out, you bastard! Glide lope. Glide lope. Glide. Glide lope. Come on. Wait, what? Glide lope. We need to prevent from happening. Come on, come on. Ooh. Okay, the name is the end.